Hi, this is Z1, and this is the explanation for the homework number 4, question number 8 YouTube video. So modify the turtle bar chart program so that the bar for any value of 200 or more is filled with red. Values between 100 and 200 are filled with yellow, and the bars representing values less than 100 are filled with green. So we need to draw the bar, so we use the turtle, the import turtle to set the background. Yeah, so we write a function, define draw bar t and head, get turtle t to draw one bar of head, and then we start filling this shape. So t begin fill, and then there are two situations, like for example, if it's less than 0, for example, negative 50, it just go down, so t left t left 90 degrees and just go forward, and then we can see, and the question is asked for more than 200, between 100 and 200, and then less than 100. So the head is bigger than 0, so we just make a right turn and then go forward and just and then continue these two and then stop filling the one shape. And then we can see more than 200 is red, between 100 and 200 is yellow, and less than 100 is green. So we define color. So yeah, we can see if it's bigger than 200 is red, right? And then between those two numbers is yellow, and then otherwise it's just green. So we test it. We choose the number 47, 90, 125, 200, 240, 150, 270, and 220. And then we can just we use a test. We'll create a test and set some attributes. So the fill color is red, and then the pin size 3. This 4 is not that matters. And then we just set a window and the BG color, the background color. And then that's it. And then we use for loop to fill the color. And then we run it. So we can see for the 7 and 90, they're less than 100 is green. And between 100 and 200 is yellow. And those two is more than 200 or equal 200 is red. So that's the bar.